Hello students, in this particular video we will study about the aldosterone hormone. Okay, now one thing we have seen in our previous video that this aldosterone hormone is synthesized by the adrenal gland specific player that is known as what? The zona glomerulosa. What is the name of layer? Zona glomerulosa, and this zona glomerulosa is having certain cells which are forming the cholesterol molecule, and this cholesterol molecule is synthesizing what? Aldosterone hormone. Okay, so the nature of these aldosterone is what? These are the steroid, as these are synthesized from the cholesterol. Next thing is what? If these are steroids, so their nature is what? The hydrophobic. So their transportation requires the binding with certain protein. So there is a protein known as what? Albumin present into the blood, with which this hormone binds and finally transported. Okay, now we will see about the functions of this aldosterone hormone. Now the key function of this aldosterone is what? The sodium ion reabsorption into the blood from principal cells of collecting duct of nephron. The key function of the aldosterone is what? Sodium ion reabsorption into the blood from principal cells of collecting duct. Okay, now you can see over here that we have taken a diagram of nephron, and in the nephron this region is what? The collecting duct. In this collecting duct, particular cells are present known as what? The principal cells. These principal cells are assisting in the reabsorption of this sodium ion into the blood. As this sodium ion is going to be reabsorbed into the blood, the mineral concentration is enhanced over there. And one important thing is that as the sodium ion is going to be reabsorbed, just to balance its osmolarity, water is also going to be absorbed. So another thing is what? Water reabsorption. With the reabsorption of sodium ion, it is also assisting the reabsorption of water into the blood. The next thing is that if it is also assisting the secretion of these potassium ion. Okay, it is also assisting the secretion of these potassium ion into the nephron of the kidney. Fourth function of these aldosterone is what? It regulates the blood pressure. It actually enhances the blood pressure into the body. Another function is what? Regulates the blood volume. Another function is what? It decreases the hydrogen ion. So the pH of the blood enhances, and finally the condition of alkalosis occurs. So these are the functions of the aldosterone hormone. Now I am concising the whole knowledge which we have seen over here. First thing is what? The precursor molecule for this aldosterone is what? The cholesterol. Always remember. Next thing is what? What is the nature of this aldosterone? It is hydrophobic. So it requires the movement by the help of certain protein, and that protein is what? The albumin. Next thing is that function of aldosterone. It is the principal hormone for the sodium ion reabsorption. It is the principal ion for the water reabsorption. It is responsible for the potassium ion secretion, and it regulates the blood pressure, it regulates the blood volume, and it is also responsible for a condition known as what? The alkalosis. These are the function of your aldosterone hormone. Thank you.